So the last shelf is going in now. Do you need it?
Just got this one just a little bit smaller.
It's all held together so tightly at this point. There's not as much give, not as much wiggle room. Alright. And then the next, or the last step will be to put the roof or the ceiling or the top, I guess, of the cabinet on. Alright, so now he's going to make the back piece out of the plywood that we found with the pallets. So what are you measuring it to?
Well, I'm taking 1.5 inches off because of that.
Because of the funky lip thing under there. It doesn't go quite to the edge.
I'll put up, I don't mind the lip at the top and the bottom, but
on the sides it messes it up.
Yeah. So we're going in 1.5 inches to get past the lip. Then I need 18 inches, so I'll go to 19.5. For my next one. 18.5.
Done with this?
Yeah.
So now he's drawing a line to connect his marks. And that way we can make sure it's straight all the way down the board. Got it. Stupid tape measure. Probably sand the rest of that off. We only need that little portion off anyway.
We get a line. Since it went with the sticker.
Do I need to come hold it from the other end?
Yeah.
clean up that end there.
What's that? I'll fix that.
Yep.
Yeah.
We both have our hearing protection in, so we can't really hear each other. And we just need to run the sander over the top, and we should be good to put this in. Alright, so we're going to inset this, and it's not going to be a perfect fit because we want it to have that rustic look. Right, honey? That's the reason.
Yes, that's the reason.
He really doesn't want to have to measure on the 2x4s where each shelf is.
You want this side towards the front?
No, I want, well, yeah, I want this side towards the back. Because that's going to be against the wall. And this won't go all the way up to the top either. We're going to use the top shelf for putting boxes of empty canning jars. So, but I did want a little lip so it doesn't go off the back and into the wall too hard. So you can see that insets, but there's just a little bit of a gap on either side.
You hold that?
Yeah. I think he was a little bit of afraid that he was gonna cut it too tight and not be able to get it in, and then have to take a bigger chunk out of it. I think that's the real reason. There's that. Oh, that's where it's hooking to. Okay.
Under it.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good.
Alright, so just attach that on. And someday we might actually paint this, but for now it's just fine unpainted. If we're gonna have it where it was gonna be where a ton of people would see it, then we'd paint it. But we're not.
Grand do over shelf.
Yeah. So all the way down into the back of every shelf is what we're doing. Okay. One more?
One more.
Yeah. Alright, and the back is on. We've got a little bit of a lip. Now we just need to put the top on.
Front pieces.
Oh, the front pieces before the top?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put the pieces that will secure the shelves in case there's an earthquake. They will be going on next.
Probably shove these right out the way.
Well, there's one side that's better than the other.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
The side you want facing forward, put on top.
I want this side facing forward.
Okay.
So, but some of these, I know there's one or two of these that were a little less nice. Okay, this is the front. And that's the top.
Okay.
I couldn't get the glue off on that one. So this is the front. And that's the top. Alright, we've got them all set up in the way we want them. So now he's going to put them on. You starting at the top?
Here.
Okay. This just gives us a lip to prevent the jars from shaking off if we have an earthquake.
Now, how did you want them in relationship? Like up a little bit or right at?
Oh, right. Like that. So the bottom of this is even with the bottom of that.
Okay.
More or less. I need as much space to get the jars in without...
Okay.
Or, well, getting them in isn't going to be the problem. Getting them back out, if this is up too high, it's going to be the problem. So... Do you want the clamps?
There's no place to clamp it too.
Well, there is, but
it
wouldn't be easy.
Yeah.
He's almost as reluctant to use the clamps as he is to drill pilot holes. Do you have the little level, or do you just have your honkin' ginormous one?
I just have my honkin' ginormous one.
Okay.
You can set it underneath. There we go.
Okay. Well, that is the part that's going to show, so I like it to be a little bit less slapdashery. That is no way near the bottom of the shelf.
Oh, no. Pretty close right there. There we go.
Can you make sure that's still level? After I did that?
Still level.
Okay, thank you. I know you're humoring me, but I appreciate it. And we're going to do that all the way down the front. Alright, so all of the front pieces are in. The earthquake supports, I guess they are. Jar will go in like that. And easily tilt back out.
Right back on this one.
Alright, so we're putting the final shelf on top. We decided to just go ahead and make another set of shelves and stick them up here. This one's going to be really tight to get in though. Well, maybe not. Thought so.
In height, Good thing we put that extra couple inches on.
Yeah, definitely needed that extra couple inches because it's pretty level there. So it's done except for the final screws. And this, now maybe we should cut a piece and attach it here just to finish that off. Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see. Alright, so I'm going to attach that last piece. And the lip will fit into the other lip, hopefully. Oh, that worked. Which one are you going to do? That one? Okay.
Yep.
And you're just going to put a couple here, here, and here. And this will actually hold these two boards together because the way each had a lip on it. So they're smaller screws, but that's why.
One.
You gonna do it from the other side?
No, I'm gonna push. I'm gonna hook something to hold it.
And that should do it. So this is the back, all the way down. The sides with the shelf boards trapped between pieces. And then the front. All the way down. So this is going to be wonderful. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.